Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store application and at the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near the green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher. Just tap twice to OK. To activate it, click to go back, tap to switch input method and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now this process is finished, so let's check the new device keyboard, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.